Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 best ways to save money as a student. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Many people associate college life with financial hardship, so learning how to save money as a student would be a useful skill. There's no doubt that students have a poor image when it comes to their money management skills. With all of that newfound freedom, coupled with a lump sum of cash deposited into your bank account at the start of the term, comes the temptation to spend your money however you want. Even so, we don't have to tell you that's a bad idea. While this isn't true for everybody, it's no secret that money is scarce when you're a student. With student loans barely covering the cost of rent alone, it's no wonder that the prospect of having to survive on a student budget is deterring an increasing number of young people from even considering going to university. Although living on a student budget is certainly not straightforward, it is entirely possible. All it takes is a little financial savvy. Here are some easy ways to save money as a student to help you get through the academic year and make your money go further at university. Number 1. Student accommodation versus living at home. During their time at university, many new students choose to move out of their parents' home and into student housing, whether on or off campus. Living at home while studying isn't the rule, and many students are afraid of losing out on their newfound freedom and college social life. However, considering the increasing cost of rent, staying at home and commuting to university could prove to be a major financial savings. Both sides have advantages and disadvantages, but it's important to think about what's best for you and your personal financial situation. Number 2. Budget as soon as your loan comes in. We understand. It's difficult to suppress the little inner voice, shouting at you to treat yourself. As soon as your loan is deposited into your bank account, fighting the urge is excruciating. However, believe us when we say that budgeting, as soon as your loan is disbursed, is critical to saving money at university. I'm serious. Set aside money for your essential expenditures, such as rent, utilities costs, grocery shopping, and any savings, before you do something else. As a result, you can be assured that all of your bills will be paid, and that you will know exactly how much money you have left to spend additional university funding. Number 3. Shop around for the best student bank account. Every year, banks would deliver a plethora of enticing incentives to entice students to apply. Make an effort to educate yourself on the best student bank accounts on the market, and compare them before jumping into the first deal you see. An interest-free overdraft should undoubtedly be one of your top priorities when choosing a student bank account. Getting one provides a safe backup when dealing with any sudden, unexpected, or emergency costs. Number 4. Make the most of pre-drinks. We're serious about this. Even the nearby student-friendly bars and pubs in your university town can get pricey if you go every other night. So collect your mates and take advantage of the pre-drinks. Before a big night out, playing drinking games with your friends can be half the fun. Number 5. Leave your card at home on nights out. Taking your card out on a big night out is a risky game, and we don't suggest paying with it. Instead, withdraw cash and leave your credit card at home. That way, you can be assured that you won't go way over budget when drinking, and you won't be terrified when you check your bank account the next morning. Number 6. Don't go to a food shop when you're hungry. The ability to shop for your own food is a wonderful thing, but it's all too easy to overspend, particularly when you're hungry or hungover. Rather, prepare your meals ahead of time, down to the last ingredient. You'll know exactly what you need to buy and how much you'll have to pay this way, and you'll be much less likely to waste anything. You'll also be less likely to order a costly takeaway if you prepare your weekly meals ahead of time. Number 7. Make the effort to cook with your housemates. On the topic of cooking, why not try to cut the cost of your grocery shopping even further by pooling your resources with your roommates? You'll not only save money, but you'll also get to spend more time with your roommates, and maybe develop your cooking skills. You don't even need to spend money on a cookbook. Sites like BBC Good Food have a multitude of easy, student-friendly recipes. Number 8. Get to know your discounts. One of the best parts about becoming a student is the multitude of discounts and student offers available from a variety of retailers. Learn your high street stores deliver the best deals, and you'll be able to save money on all of your necessities, including school supplies, clothing, food, toiletries, and more. Don't forget to get an NUS Extra card as well. The card is just £12 a year and allows you access to over 200 online and in-store discounts. Knowing your student discounts could save you a lot of money. Number 9. Earn some extra income. If your course gives you ample free time to take on a part-time job, do so to supplement your salary. Retail, waiting, and bartending positions are often available in university towns. If taking on a part-time job isn't a choice for you for any reason, there are plenty of money-making opportunities available online, such as student brand ambassador programs. Number 10. Don't rush into buying textbooks. When you receive a reading list worth more than your parents' house at the start of the academic year, you may have a heart attack. Well, not quite, but it can certainly feel like it. Whether you like it or not every book on your reading list is a must-read, and buying every single one can be a massive waste of money, particularly if you buy them brand new. Wait a while to figure out which core texts you'll need, and even then, you can get them used from older students. If you need something else, you can still borrow it from the library. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.